Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Today we're not going to have a long video, and actually I think I'm serious about it this time. Usually I say that and it doesn't happen. But before we get into it, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Today we got a guard that's supposed to let you be able to cut from a half up to a 1.5. So that's pretty much what we're going to be showing today. As you see me here, I'm just clearing bulk out, just prepping. It's not a full tutorial, but I'm getting the bulk out the way. I'm putting in the first guideline. It's more of a shadow phase, so I'm gonna go across this whole side, putting in that first guideline. Then it's gonna split into two screens, just showing you the work with the regular guards and just being able to use this one guard. So this is called the blur guard, B-L-U-R guard, blur guard. I know my accent is crazy, but it's called the blur guard. You probably seen it on TikTok or not TikTok, but Instagram, and seeing other people talk about it. I've had it for a second, but I just finally wanted to show the use of it, because it does take a little bit of getting used to not switch back and forth to guards. You know what I'm saying? So here we are. As you can see at the top, I'm using my regular half guard, which is a wall guard, and then I'll go to the one guard, which is a wall, and then a babeless 1.5. And then at the bottom, you can see me just using that green guard is the blur guard, the guard that's in the thumbnail. So using this guard, I have found that it works better on a click lever, and that just after a while, I'm pretty sure you can use it with a floating lever. Not that it's going to be impossible to use, but it seems to work better with a click lever because you're using one guard to go up to a 1.5. So while you're working, you can kind of remember where you are, and this is the when you click, this is the half. Click a little bit, that's the half open and stuff like that. So but in use, as you can see, the blend is just about the same. You know what I mean? It does. Now, this is not my first time on this head using this guard, so it does take some getting used to. But once you get used to it, I can see a lot of people transferring to just using this one guard. But the only thing is, it only goes to the 1.5. Now, in the back of it is kind of like the fat blade from Andis, so it got that little hump in the back. It kind of gives you a little bit more room to fade in. I did switch back to the 1.5 at the top, just because it could just be me getting a better feeling of it, knowing the better feeling of the 1.5 guard that I've been using. But as you can see, the fade comes out pretty much the same. The price of this will be on the screen, and pretty much I just wanted to show the use of it. Is it worth it? I say give it a go if you looking to try something new. Will it take over, all your guards? I don't think so, but it is a pretty good tool to have. And if you're looking to find, use a novelty tool, I say give it a go. You know what I mean? It's not a bad thing. Yeah, so there's the quick review of the blur guard.